Yeah, man. What am I going to do with that now? What Mixmaster going to do with the yam now, Dada? Which is right. Alright, so Mixmaster, what are you going to do with that now?
This?
Yeah.
Man, I put chill on the yam this enough.
So what are you planning for do with that?
When we mix it, you go and see it.
What you say? Alright.
So that the yam I go use make drink, you know.
What you mean, man? Chill on the yam this enough. So what I'm going to do, I roast it. Now fire. Yeah. See it? Yeah. You want some of this a drink when you done?
Of course.
Alright. And me and the what?
Jamaican Mixmaster.
Alright! Warm welcome all my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the YouTube channel known as the Mixmaster. Well, today we are doing something really special. I mean, this one is like a cracker off the hook. We're making something with yam. Earlier you saw me went to the market to get yam. So what we do with the yam, we roast it, and we know we're going to turn it into a drink. So we put in the yam. What I did with the yam, I dig it out. Yes. So we're using yam and boiled plantain. Every Jamaican love plantain. So we have another product we're going to use with Lasco. Instant oats. So what I do, take out the oats and make it soak with a little bit of Lasco milk. This is going to be an interesting drink. So, flaxseed. Just a little flaxseed. Vanilla. Now we're going to turn back to the another Lasco product. Chocolate with nutmeg. So most people use this for tea, but I'm using it into a drink. Then we use some cashew nuts. Very healthy. Cashew nuts. Alright. Nutmeg. This drink is a true legend drink. So what we're going to do right now, we're adding some icool water to stay cool. Icool, stay cool. Definitely. Do not forget this, the Lasco creamy malt. Special for this drink. Stop. What I did, I just blended first before I put the ice in it, because you know that the oats is very thick. So now we put in the ice with it. You make it blend a little while before you put the ice. So now we have the ice. And then we blend it again. This is a real legend drink for everyone. Real legend. Look at this. This is for Mr. Bone Special. Alright? So we're going to pour it into the yam. So, look at this. Right into the yam. Then, some for taste. All of my friends here are gonna have a taste of it. We're doing this drink for a tribute to the man Usain Bolt. So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna whip the milk. Lasco product again. So we're going to put it just to give it a nice decoration here. Right. Spirulina. Right, a little spirulina on top. Spirulina. There we go. So you have the green flavor of the spirulina. You see it?
Yeah, definitely. So are the yam this?
This is the yam that we bought in Falmouth Market.
Seriously, bro?
Yes, man.
Yes, man. Only Morris can do this. The Jamaican Mixmaster. Yam drink tribute to Usain Bolt. Amazing.
Yes.
Amazing.
So we're gonna have a little taste.
Definitely.
Fastest man in Jamaica, 9.58. And guess what? He has the record. So tribute to Usain Bolt and tribute to his baby called Olympia. So it even having more fun. Can't be go wrong, Mr. Bolt. So
To the world.
world.
Definitely.